Hi, welcome back to the channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Hope everybody's all well and doing good. I'm going to be looking at a power bank that I'm going to be taking on a trip I'm going to shortly, which is the IFA Tech Show in Berlin. So I'll be going there in September. So it runs from the 5th to the 9th of September. So I'll be going over there to have a look at all the latest tech. There's something I just want to talk about. So it's a power bank. So when you do travel abroad, you need all the power you've got. So I'm going to be looking today at the Anker 165w power bank. This is the one I'll be taking away. So this will be able to charge all my devices like my smartphone, tablet, cameras, etc. So you do need a good powerful power bank. Let's just get straight into the video and have a look at the Anker 165w power bank. Okay, so here is the Anker 165w power bank. So this is Anker's #1 mobile charger. So it's like #1 charger here. So it's a high power multi-device charging system. Anker Powerbank with 165 watts built-in and retractable cables. So it does do 100-watt single port fast charging, charges 4 devices simultaneously, and high resolution display. So we'll just have a look and get it out of the box and just see what you get inside the box. Okay, so this is it outside of the box. There's not much in the box apart from the charger that comes in the box, but you do get this nice Anker pouch that you can put the power bank in when you're traveling about. It does feel waterproof as well, so that's a nice addition to looking after the power bank. So here we have it here, the 165w power bank. This is a really powerful power bank with a 25 milliamp battery inside. So it can charge multiple devices at different times. There it does say on here 25 milliamp, and I don't know what that 90 watts is, but it is flight safe, so you can take this on the plane and you shouldn't have to take it out of your carry-on bag. So let's just go over the actual power bank. So you get this well, it's a cord here, so it's like a handle as well. I like the way to do that. So this is one of the charging cables here, so that just comes off. It is braided as well, a really good quality cable here, and it is the USB-C, and that just clicks in there like that, so you can carry it like that. And then the other thing, you've got this retractable cable in here. So this one's a bit different, so it's like a flat cable, and I think this retracts out to about 2 feet. So there, so it retracts out like that, and then all you do, it just holds there, and then you just slip it back, and then it clicks in by a magnetic a magnet on there at the top, and you got this nice, like, it's like carbon fiber feel to it. We'll have a look at the screen in a minute. And then you've got another USB-C in here, and then you've got a USB-A out, so that'll be like your slow charging. So you've got 3 USB charging slots. So you got the slot there, obviously you need a cable, and you got the cable here, and you got the retractable one here. So let's just have a look at the screen. So as you can see, it's come on now. So it's 91%, and it's got, when you press, there's a button there on the side. So if you press that, it comes up with the charge left, and it does a little wink if you did see that. So this is a screen that you get with it as well. Okay, so press it once, it comes on. Press it again, it tells you the battery temperature and what, you know, that it's safe to use. And then if you press it again, you got the battery health at 100%. So this is a really powerful power bank as well. So when you do press it as well, if you double tap, it does go onto here. So that's the USB-A, and there's a dot there. So that's the slow charging for the USB-A, and then you just double click it again to come out. It is quite heavy, but like I said, I'm going to be taking this when I go away to IFA in Berlin to charge all my devices. I'll just get my iPhone, plug that in, and then you can see all the wattage on there if you press that. So it's just charging it 5 watts, 6 watts there. So that's the my iPhone. If I get another device, I'll get my AirPods. It shouldn't need much charge on this. So they're charging now on there. So they're only like 0.1 wattage there because it's only the AirPods. So that's charging, and then you've got this other one here. I will get my iPad, get my iPad Pro 11-inch. So plug that in there, so I can charge that as well on this side as well. So as you can see, that is charging. So I've got my iPad Pro, my phone and my AirPods all charging at the same time. And I've got the MacBook Pro as well, and that can charge from zero battery power to 80 in 30 minutes. This is a really good power bank if you are going away or going abroad. You know, you can charge up to 4 devices easily, so you're never gonna run out of any power. So yeah, with the build quality as well, like I said, it is built really well. Anker do make good products, so it's not too heavy. This is it in the size of my hand here. So, you know, I am really impressed with it. Like I said, I'm taking it to Berlin. You know, I shouldn't run out of any power or struggle to get any power as well. So I will leave the link below of where you can purchase this. I will leave a link, and if you click the link and purchase this, it does give me a bit of a kickback as well. So if you could click on that link, that would be much appreciated. It's the Anker 165 watt power bank. So it's really good quality, and like I said, I'll be taking it away this year in September. So I hope you liked the video. Just a quick video regarding this power bank. So if you could like and subscribe on my channel, that'd be much appreciated, because like I said, I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers and I want to hit that by the end of the year. Hope to see you all soon, and I will be doing some footage at IFA as well, so that's to come on this channel as well, so look out for that in September. Have a nice day.